Hello, welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Well, today was quite a day. Um, I did go bullish this morning. I think the market might have been up 50 points or something, not much. I wanted to get it out to you. I'm not trying to be super trading oriented, but as you can see, this market is really volatile. I think you can use my analysis if you're a longer term investor or short term, certainly. So let's get into it. So this is the weekly chart. Again, we got the bearish rainbow convergence with prices. The convergence of these moving averages will be at about 5,700. They're not quite there yet, but um, anyway, my stop I'm putting here tonight is 5,800. So what I'm looking for tomorrow, I'm hoping the market is up, and I want to see it up around 5,700, which would be, what is that? 5450, 55, about 200 points or so, or even if it's up 100, I'm going to be going bearish, and my stop will be at 5,800 because my right now my reward to risk, I believe, is about if I went short here today, my upside risk, if I'm short, is 5,800 from 5,450. So I risk about 5%, but the possibility of a new low would be that would be 700 points. So yeah, it's about a 3-to-1 reward to risk to the downside. So again, this was a short covering rally, and of course, people that sold all their stocks and wanted out um, yesterday or the day before. Of course, they were buying this afternoon after it was up 5 or 6%. So they're doing exactly what you shouldn't do. What I'm trying to do is kind of do the Wayne Gretzky analogy, go where the puck is going, not where it is. And so I did buy some things today. I sold my shorts down to 1%, and bought some things and sold half of those on the close. And tomorrow, if it's up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be going through my all of my holdings. So, example, rare earth and metals, REMX, one of my buy recommendations. All those things, Chevron, they were all down like 7% in one day. And so what I did was sold it down to about 2%. That's kind of my minimum holding, 2% of my portfolio from, let's say, 5% or whatever it was. And now on this rally, I'm selling some today, and I will get out of those, all those things that the patterns are broken in. This has given me a chance to do that. So what you want to do is go through your holdings and be really careful with small cap stocks, um, and get rid of losers. I'm trying to think, like silver, for instance, which was a winner, but it's kind of coming into resistance, and I'm selling some of that. Um, uh, Pan American Silver, that's one that's definitely coming into, Saudi Arabia. Things that I was down to 1% or 2% of my portfolio. I was selling some of that today, and if the market's up tomorrow, I'm out of it because the pattern is broken at this point. So that's what you should be doing, not jumping on the other way. You need to prepare yourself for the next down leg. Hope that makes sense. Oops, let me go back. So now we're going to look at just, this part of the chart. So this is a shorter term chart right here. And so this is when I went to a buy rating this morning, and here's where we are today. and here's where my stop is up here. So, there's another gap here. Maybe this gets filled before things turn back down. So, or less, at least you got to assume the trend right now is down. So that's kind of where I at. That's what I wanted to mention to you. Don't chase the puck. Don't buy into, when I had a buy rating back here, the market was up, I don't know, not even maybe a 0.5%, maybe 1%. If you got it and you were buying up here into the close, that's not a good thing. So if you get a reprieve tomorrow with some more upside, I would be selling into that and buying things like treasuries, buy things like XLU or EXC, or even though XLU was up a lot, those are utilities. Um, I'll try to go through and see some things that I would be buying to eliminate some of the risk in the market, things that aren't really correlated heavily to the stock market. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Have a great evening, and I'm sure tomorrow will be interesting. Have a great evening.